is for apple pie, so sweet and yum. B is for bread straight from the oven drum. C is for candy, a colorful treat. D is for donut, sugary and neat. E is for egg, sunny side up. F is for fruit in a bowl or cup. G is for grape, juicy and round. H is for honey, golden and sound. I is for ice cream, cold and creamy. J is for jam on toast, so dreamy. K is for kiwi, green and tart. L is for lemon, sour at heart. M is for muffin, soft and sweet. N is for noodles, slurped neat. O is for right, juicy and bright. P is for pancakes stacked just right. Q is for quiche, a tasty pie. R is for rice, fluffy piled high. S is for sandwich, lay out with care. T is for tomato, red and rare. U is for ugly, for funny and strange. V is for vanilla, sweet flavor range. W is for waffles, syrup on top. X is for Xmas cookies, fun that won't stop.